How to rank in ChatGPT search, the real strategy that works in 2026. Most people think ranking in ChatGPT search is about prompts, plugins, or hacks. It's not. Some brands are mentioned and recommended by ChatGPT again and again, while others never appear no matter how much content they publish. Stay until the end of the video, because I'll share the most valuable and practical tips that actually influence ChatGPT visibility today, backed by real studies, real numbers, and one AI prompt you can use immediately. If this is useful at any point, feel free to like the video and leave a comment if you want follow-up or real website teardown. What ChatGPT search really means. ChatGPT search is not Google rankings inside a chatbot. According to multiple AI behavior studies published in 2024-2025, large language models prefer sources that are structured, consistent, and easy to reuse. One study showed that structured content is referenced up to 2.3 times more often than long, unstructured articles. ChatGPT doesn't care about keyword density, content length, publishing frequency. It cares about clear entities, consistency across pages, factual reliability, reusable explanations. If ChatGPT understands your site as a trusted source, you appear. If not, you're invisible. Why most sites never show up? Here's a pattern I see all the time. A site publishes hundreds of articles, often AI generated. Analytics show traffic, impressions, and rankings. But ChatGPT never mentions the brand. Why? Because every page explains the same concepts differently. Terminology changes, structure changes, messaging changes. A 2024 analysis of AI citation behavior found that inconsistency across pages reduced the likelihood of being referenced by more than 40%. Now compare that to Ratings. Ratings.com combines AI-assisted structured content with real photos, real videos, consistent layouts, and clear product entities. As a result, they get over 8 million organic results and are frequently used as a reference source by AI systems. AI can summarize their insights, but it cannot reproduce their testing process or visuals. That forces AI to reference them. This exact approach is explained here. Take this link in the description below. How ChatGPT decides who to mention. Based on testing, audits, and published research, ChatGPT prioritizes 4 factors. First, entity clarity. Your site must clearly define who you are, what you do, and what you specialize in. Pages that clearly define entities are cited up to 2 times more often in AI-generated answers. Second, answer readiness. AI prefers content that already looks like an answer. Studies show that concise, well-structured explanations are reused far more often than narrative style articles. Third, consistency at scale. If the same topic is explained 10 different ways, AI confidence drops. Consistent explanations increase reuse and reduce hallucination risk. 4. Fresh insights. AI prefers content that adds new perspectives or updated data. Rewritten content performs significantly worse than original analysis. As SEO expert Lily Ray puts it, AI systems reward clarity and trust. If your content looks generic or inconsistent, it will be rewritten, not referenced. Quick pause here. If this makes sense so far, drop a comment with the word ChatGPT. It really helps me understand what to cover next. The AI prompt that helps you rank. Here's an AI prompt you can use right now to create content ChatGPT prefers. Prompt. Analyze the top competitors for the topic. Identify content gaps, outdated information, missing perspectives, and weak explanations. Create a structured outline that fills those gaps with fresh insights, clear definitions, and more practical explanations. Use consistent terminology across the content. Write the content so it can be reused directly in an AI-generated answer. This works because you are asking AI to improve understanding, not just generate text. How to build this content in Anmes content editor? You can create and refine this content inside the Anmes tool, content editor. This editor helps you improve grammar and clarity, optimize readability, analyze SEO metrics, keep structure consistent across pages. This matters because studies show AI systems favor content that is easy to parse and easy to summarize. Clear structure increases the chance of being reused. This is how AI-generated content becomes AI reference content. You can use other tools to check rankings in ChatGPT. For example, C-Ranking. I love this tool. There is no tool that shows ChatGPT rankings directly, but C-Ranking helps identify where AI is replacing traffic. You can use it to track informational keywords, split SERPs dominated by AI answers, find keywords where rankings stay stable by clicks drop. When clicks drop without ranking changes, AI answers are absorbing demand. That's a signal to optimize for ChatGPT visibility. What is Obsolete? Publishing more articles, chasing word count, rewriting competitors, measuring success only by traffic. Multiple studies show AI systems prioritize quality, structure, and consistency over volume. If AI can answer the query without reference you, the page adds no value. So, my final thoughts. Ranking in ChatGPT search is not about tricks. It's about clarity, consistency, and usefulness at scale. If you help analyzing your site or building a strategy, you can book a free consultation with me. I will lead your project in the right direction. Or if you have great knowledge about SEO and SEO, visit unstructured.com, where we provide full website audits and high-quality content production built for ChatGPT, AI search, and traditional SEO. If this video helped, like it, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what topic you want next.